Welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be changing out this reverse neutral light. So I already went ahead and removed this one. All you have to do is pop the little things here, all these. It's 6 of them that it has. Two, another 2 here, another 2 there. And it has 2 Phillips screws here. Let's go ahead and remove those. That's 2. Here at the bottom has also 2 little screws. I'm not gonna remove these. I'm just gonna replace the actual light, just the lens. So I'm gonna remove these with the Phillips. This is really old plastic. This ATV is 1987. So once you put everything back together, do not over tighten these. Alright, there you go, it's loose. I bought this one on eBay, so it's used. Well, all I want is this little part, but I'm gonna go ahead and replace all of it. So to remove these, all you have to do is pull on them. Pops right out. Goes in with pressure. Same thing on this side. Do not pull on the wire. Try and pull on the socket thing. Should come right out. Let's do the same with this one. I'm gonna go ahead and install it on this one so I don't forget. Just pops right in. Same thing on the other side. This is the broken one. It's ugly. Go ahead and pop this one. It's in place. Let's go ahead and reinstall it. This part cost me $25 on eBay. Kind of pricey, but it's well worth it. It's gonna look better. Do not over tighten these. There we go, that's all it needs. Let's go ahead and install the 2 screws here. Make sure you line it up. Doesn't want to go in, I think. Some soapy water. Let's go ahead and reinstall it again. That really worked. And we're done. This ATV is looking way better, as you can see. Used to have this one. So that really helped out putting this back together. If you put some soapy water, it'll slide right in. And alright guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Does backfire a little bit. I think the carb needs some cleaning. Might need to fix this one because it's always on. Might burn up the little plastic if I don't fix